In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in your Google Docs document. Now, you might find yourself in situations where you need to adjust an image to better fit your document's layout, or to simply focus more on specific elements within that image. That's where cropping comes in. It's a handy tool that can enhance the overall appearance of your document and help convey your message more effectively. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to have your image ready in your Google Docs document. If you haven't inserted one yet, you can simply click on Insert in the top menu, then choose Image from the drop-down, and select where you want to upload it from, be it from your computer, the web, or even directly from Google Drive. Once your image is in place and you're ready to crop, the next step is to select the image. You do this by simply clicking on it. You'll know it's selected when you see blue squares or handles appear at each corner and midway along each side of the image. With your image selected, look at the toolbar above your document. You'll need to find the crop image icon. It looks like a small rectangle with lines extending from each corner, kind of like a crop symbol you'd find on most photo editing software. Click this icon and you'll see a border surrounding your image, which is your cue that you're now in cropping mode. Now, let's get to the fun part, the actual cropping. In cropping mode, you'll notice those little blue squares we mentioned earlier. Those are your cropping handles. You can click and drag any of these handles inward or outward. This action allows you to define precisely which part of the image you'd like to keep while excluding the rest. Feel free to play around with this until you get the dimensions just right. Don't worry, you won't make any irreversible changes at this point, so it's a great opportunity to experiment and see what looks best for your document. Once you've adjusted the image to your liking using those handles, you're ready to apply this crop. You can press the Enter key on your keyboard, which will lock in your crop adjustments. Alternatively, clicking elsewhere in your document will achieve the same result. And just like that, you've successfully cropped your image. Remember, cropping helps you maintain a clean and professional look in your documents by focusing on what's most important in an image. So take a moment to appreciate how this simple action can elevate the quality of your presentation. I hope you found this guide helpful and you feel confident utilizing this feature in your future projects. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.